I'm gonna be giving you guys some cryptocurrency news. So let's jump right into it, guys. So the metaverse cryptocurrencies that are out there have been doing fairly good off this current market down. A lot of the cryptocurrencies are down, but up temporarily. We'll see how they do if they build up enough buyers. So here's the metaverse. They're all doing pretty good for these lists. But we'll also look at some of the biggest gainers. So here's the biggest gainers the last 24 hours. You got Metapay up 1,342%. Fairly Forest NFT up 848%, DogeCoin up 755%. So a lot of crypto winners and a lot of losers. Now, there's something I want to go through when it comes to these gainers. Now, these cryptocurrencies may be good for the first 24 hours. This 24 hours right now, but it doesn't mean they're overall up. So a lot of people like to push this on the news saying that this cryptocurrency is doing really, really good, but overall it's bad. So I would say that they typically look like a bunch of pump and dumps. And it just got pumped up because of some news or some influencer talked about it on social media. But let's look at this. So look at the first one, guys, Metapay. So Metapay, if you look at it, its base price is still sitting at like 5 zeros or 5 zeros, 0.501224. Sits pretty down low below that, but then massive jumps back down to that same level. So you can see that there's a lot of manipulation happening to the price, and it's not steady going higher. It's a steady going down with a big pump and dump, in my opinion. But if you're in this cryptocurrency, tell me. If you're in Metapay, what do you see the utility for? Maybe it's some good use for it, but it seems like, looking at the chart, a bunch of pump and dumps. Now, we get the second one was, Fairy Forest NFT. So it has been just diving down lower and lower and lower. Yes, it has been up for the last 24 hours, but overall back down. We have DogeCoin, guys. DogeCoin started out with, I think, like 0.905. Now all the way down to, oh my gosh, even this is so tiny, and then it just did a little massive up. So you see this manipulation happening, guys. I mean, there's possibly some people are buying in. Maybe it might do a big reversal heading up higher. But, you know, you guys gotta let me know. I mean, how many people are following this cryptocurrency? Let's see. It's on 2,468 people's watch list. It's ranked number 4,123. You know, I mean, you guys can get into it if you want to, but I'm going to stay away. Our next cryptocurrency is going to be DogeCoin. Sitting really, really low. I mean, if you look at the chart, just look at look at these massive push-ups and then back down, another push-up, back down, and you can tell that this thing is highly manipulated. If we go through and do another deep dive of these cryptocurrencies just like this, possibly there's a lot of news, a lot of influencers talking about it, and then it ramping up, people diving in, jumping in, while people are buying in. Influencers, big people, big whales in this cryptocurrency are selling as people are buying, exiting their position, and now it goes back to the original price, which is a good possibility, guys, of what's happening. So be aware if you're going to get into these cryptocurrencies, maybe you're getting something that's basically a crap coin. I'm not saying this is a crap coin, but it's a good possibility. Now, we'll look at the new cryptocurrencies. So we're sitting at currently 19,506 different cryptocurrencies out there on 527 exchanges. If I've been making videos for quite a long time on cryptocurrencies. I remember when it was at 16,000, even less than that, 15,000, 14,000, and I was making videos about this. There's so many cryptocurrencies being made each month. Usually, I would say this, that the majority of these cryptocurrencies that are happening are people they're tokenizing everything, and these are just tokens, but these cryptocurrencies are coming out by the same people, just revolving the same cycle. They do a pump and dump, basically pump it up, they'll just dump it, exit they take all the liquidity, and just repeat the cycle over and over again. And it makes pretty much consistent income. If you look at these cryptocurrencies, if you look at them, they do massively good in the very beginning and then do horrible at the end. So it's a possibility that a certain group or people are creating the same cryptocurrencies, just changing the name, using the exact same code or very, very similar code, because they're probably running off BNB or running it off Ethereum and just doing the exact same thing. So be aware of that, guys. Check in, look into the cryptocurrency, do a lot of research about it. I always do a lot of research before jumping into a cryptocurrency or a different project. But here are some of the new ones that just came out. 30 cryptocurrencies just came out on the Coinbase marketcap.com website, but possibly a little bit more than that. We shall see. But recording this, 19,506 cryptocurrencies coming out. You know, But be aware, guys, there's a lot of losers out there too. We have APY Finance going down 88.6%. So a lot of cryptocurrencies that are on this list are down. I mean, we all know Bitcoin's down from its high of 50% just about. Are we going to maintain this? I'm currently speculating right now in this market on trading Bitcoin, so I want to see if it goes up higher or lower. I mean, when it comes to this market, guys, it's so volatile. Getting the bottom is be relatively hard. So I would say be patient, guys. Wait out your positions, plan your risk. But let's get back to my website, guys, AndreMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about trading, cryptocurrency, EAs, or indicators, just go to my website. I have a lot of information there for you. But that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you.